So now that you've taken your inventory, you're ready to actually make a plan. Remember, you had that goal and that's what you're shooting for. And now you know what you have so that you can say, okay, what are the steps to get me to that goal? Whether that's you've got some event coming up that you want to make sure that you find all the pictures for a specific person for their birthday celebration, or there's a family event and you want to make sure you get pictures of all the cousins from that side of the family, or you're looking and going, hey, I found some really old photos that need to be saved and I need to get those done first, or you found actual movie film that you realize I gotta save that. So whatever it is, make a plan to move you forward toward your goal, because you know what you have and how much of each type of media you have. If you have any questions on how you might make that plan, what things are important, ask them in the comments below, and I'll happily answer those.